Alright guys, this is a very quick review of the Whirlpool electric dryer. The model number is WED5605MC. This is 240 volts, the 240 volts electric dryer. Touchpad screen. So it is really a touchpad. Right. Goes in self-diagnostic. Very good powder painting here. This is a stackable version, although it doesn't seem like much. There is reinforcement on the corners, as well as on the back, where you align it to a frame that secures it. This version can be stand also on a pedestal. This is a right swing, totally reversible. 4 bolts here, 2 bolts here, and this you can easily swap that. I would much more prefer this to be on the door as a design feature, to be on the door, because it is easier to damage this. Samsungs usually have them the other way around, but in order to save space, I guess inside, the locking mechanism is right there built into the door. Alright, so few cycles. The normal cycle is 127. First of all, let me talk about dimensions a little bit. So the dimensions are 38.125 inches of height. Width is 27 inches from here to here, 27 inches. Depth is 31 inches, but you need 33 inches of installation depth. The overall amperage is 30 amps, which translates to 3600 watts. It's I would say it's a mid-range dryer. You'll find a lot of them are between 3400 to 3900 watts. This takes 7.4 cubic feet of laundry. The overall weight is 126 pounds of this specific unit. The opening height is 25.69 inches. This particular version has 3, you heard me right, 3 moisture sensors. One is right here, and the other ones are located right here within the airflow. So the more humid air it takes in, the larger cycle you have, of course. This is a very good feature. 1, 2, 3, 4 different baffles that are tumbling your clothes around. They're staggered, so you'll have a lot of movement. Inside. The heating element produces more than enough heat to to damp dry whatever you have. The filter media is nice and not too restrictive, but at the same time very good. Stainless, from what I see, it's oxidized stainless steel mesh molded into ABS plastic. Other versions like Samsung's and what else, Midea, I think, they have like a lid here that catches stuff, coins, toothpicks, whatever you left in your pockets. This one doesn't have it, so you have to be mindful to empty your pockets before putting that inside the laundry. You really also need to be mindful about the buttons. You might be in the middle of a cycle and then press on it, and because they are touch pads, you'll turn it off. So let's go through the different cycles. It has four temperature settings, dryness, 3 settings for dryness, wrinkle shield, which tumbles your clothes for about definitely more than 3 hours or until you open the door. You have damp dry signal, you have control lock if you have small kids inside. I really like that. You have echo boost. Yeah, you have echo boost feature. I'm not really certain what that is, but it is definitely worth checking into. You have also damp dry signal. You may want to remove that. Let's say during a night laundry or something like that. This has to be operational. Then you can add more or less time. You can add more or less time to a cycle. You have delicate, bulky items, which is bedding and stuff. Whites for higher temperature, colors, towels for even higher temperature. Wrinkle control, heavy duty. Yep. Pretty much you have the basic stuff here. Really like this version. It is very quiet. It is extremely quiet. Let me run it just a little bit. Let's say heavy duty, regular heavy duty. Let's say towels, heavy duty. Goes to hour and a half. Sensor here. It's Energy Star compliant, ADA compliant as well. You can get a lot of rebates with Energy Star items. My location has a few, so that's definitely worth looking into that. And my AC is running, so you can't really hear a lot of you can't really hear much, but it is running really hot right now. Very good temperature, very warm here. And again, you see all those pennies, you can find them on this ledge here. I really like this design, like a slope design here, where things get caught here before they can get sucked in, or somehow they can make their way inside. I really like this design much better. The staggered baffles here are really what sets this unit apart, because it tumbles your clothes not only this way but also this way. So it's really it really ensures that you have a lot of movement of your clothes and thus achieving faster cycles. Compared to others, I've seen the cycles are a little bit longer, I should say. Like regular has the default for regular and regular items. Normal cycle is hour 27 minutes. You can do less time, you can do more time. Maybe it's under time dry, but you can definitely adjust any of those settings that you want. You can customize everything. The unit itself is a little bit heavy. 126 pounds is not something to install yourself. It comes with free installation and haul away from Home Depot. So they will definitely take care of your old unit if you want it taken away, and you can enjoy this very versatile. You can stack it, you can just use it as a standalone, you can put it on the pedestal. They have everything. The other thing that I like the best about those is Whirlpools last a lifetime. They do last a lifetime, and whatever goes wrong, you have abundance of spare parts. The serviceability and replacement spare parts on those is just abundant. A lot of technicians there are more experienced on Whirlpools, and everything is made pretty much in components. So if a motor fails, you can immediately change the motor, and normally you would require specialized knowledge, and Whirlpools have a very good service repair network. So this is one of the best features about Whirlpools. Other than that, pretty much all the dryers have the same thing. This does not come with the cable though. The cable, you have to buy separately a cable depending on your format, whether it's 3-prong or 4-prong cable. The manual itself is very, very good. Especially, I usually don't use that at all, but I need the manual in order to see the diagrams for the wiring, and those are very exhaustive, very well explained, so you will have absolutely no trouble understanding what's that and how to connect that. However, all of this will be handled, if you decide to let them, it will be handled by your delivery team from Home Depot. Alright, that's it. Pretty good product. Thanks for watching.